This video will show you how to create a new campaign and send a newsletter. First of all, we go to our dashboard and either click on Create a New Campaign or Create Send. This is where we'll click on a link. We need to name the campaign, then give it a subject line that will appear in people's emails. Then we need the name that it comes from and an email address, and also a reply address, which is often the same email address. Then click on Next. Now we need to choose a template. We already have the template pre-installed, so we'll choose that one. Then the editor will load, and this allows us to edit the template. We can edit any of the text where a pencil appears next to it. So for the first feature article, we'll click on the pen, and you'll see that it gives us an editor at the top. Then we can save that, and it appears so you can see it as you go. Then we want to enter the body content. Which we can type in here, and you can see it appearing as you go. We can do that down the page. If we want to add extra items, we can click on Add a New Item. If we want to put in a link, we can click on it, click on Insert Link, which will bring up a little editor box. And we can type in the URL, or we can put in an email address. Click on OK, and that will add a link there. If we want to insert an image, we can click on Insert Image and then browse for an image. And open it, and then click on Save. And that will save the content that we've just added. If you want to see what the email will look like, and there we have the picture. If we want to see what the email will look like, we click on Preview Email, which will show us how it will appear in somebody's email. We can go back and make more changes, or we can decide who we want to send it to. We can click on Define Recipients. And if we already have an existing subscriber list, which is in another video, you can choose that list. Otherwise, you can type in the recipients manually. And this is where you would put in people's names. And import these recipients. Then we go Next. And we'll see that we have information about the sample newsletter. The next thing we want to do is test the delivery to make sure that it's all okay. We need to send an email to ourselves, in this case the sourced out, and we can send the test email. And this will tell you it's been automatically sent. We can click on Next.